Hi, I'm Jill with WTI, and I received this product from Better Boat Silicone Tape. As you can see, we have an older boat and it always needs repairs. Every time we go in the water, it needs repairs. So check out how valuable this tape has been to help repair some of the issues we have on this old boat. This silicone tape from Better Boat is ultra strong, it's waterproof, it repairs hoses, plumbing pipes, wiring, and more. You can use it indoors and outdoor use. You can see here my husband is fixing some exposed wires that are near our boat engine. And what's awesome about this is that it's very strong. The bond with this, it gets tighter and tighter as you wrap it, and it actually has a permanent bond. So this tape only bonds to itself, so it has to be wrapped around the item to hold tight. We love this product and we think you'll like it too, and that is our point of view.